Bloody goggles. Nobody wants bloody goggles. And I got it right there on the noggin. And it was so stupid. I was flying my quadcopter and the lens got out of focus. And what happened was I didn't judge how close it was. I thought it was further away. And well, when I tried to land, bang. Ended up with 8 stitches right there. So watch the footage and you're going to see what happened. It's really, really stupid what I did. And by the way, it hit me so hard. It hit me in the directional antenna, ripped the module out of the goggles, and when I got home I heard it rattling. I took it apart and it totally just ripped it apart inside. That's how hard it hit me. And felt worse than it was at the time. No concussion, but anyway, watch this and don't do what I did. My new Phoenix that I mangled together with my Hellbender and put a GoPro mount, and let's see how this goes. Let's see if this new Achilles can find my thing. There we go. And 5800. Beep, 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 beep. All right, let's go up the power and go for a flight. Is it still recording? Yes, it's still recording on the GoPro.
Yeah, no, it's a small. Oh, there's another. Yeah. No, I don't think so.
That's still recording. I got hit right in the head. Well, that was a good video. Knocked this right out. It knocked out my module, hit myself right in here. I got blood on my goggles. Hell of a video. I was just coming in with because my lens on my camera was out of focus. Shit, well, pardon me. That was not the video I was expecting. That has never happened. I couldn't see. It was too fuzzy.
You're okay.
Did it stop bleeding?
Yeah.
So how's it look?
And there's some blood on your lower on your forehead and on your nose. Yeah.
This lens is just out of focus. Focus your camera lenses, people, or you get whacked in the head with your own quad. What's up
and
here?
there's a smaller one. Well, there's a smaller one all the way up here.
It made an impact here. That's just a black glue mark, huh?
Yeah, that's probably just a bruise.
Oh, at least I got a cool video out of it. The things we did pilots do. I can't believe it. I know I was close, but I didn't think. Well, that's my public service announcement. If this camera is out of focus, drop it. You can walk and get it. It ain't worth getting a knock on the head. Anyway, if you thought this video was entertaining, please hit that like button. If you want to call me an idiot, leave me a comment and please click on the bell so you'll see more future videos. I'm Joel LikeCatcher, and I promise I will never do this again. Bang. Ouch. See ya.